Hello guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. And for today's content is bigyan ko ng ilang content ideas. Yes, content ideas. Alam ko kung gaano kahirap mag-isip ng content. Oo, alam ko, sobrang hirap. So, mahirap talaga siya, lalo kung baguhan ka pa lang sa YouTube. And, syempre, ang hirap, nangangapa pa kung ano yung mga pwede mong i-content. Pero, kapag bago ka lang sa YouTube, kahit pagbukas ng pinto, pagsara ng pinto, pagbukas ng gripo, pagsara ng gripo, pagbukas ng electric fan, okay na yung girl. Basta ang importante, may mailagay ka sa YouTube channel mo. At, may mag-subscribe sa'yo at may makapanood dun sa video mo. Yun ang mahalaga dun. And pag bago ka, wag mo muna i-consider kung papatok ba yung video mo. Ang mahalaga, makapaglagay ka ng video sa YouTube channel mo. And kasi ang hirap, alam ko na kasi ako katulad ko, bagong YouTuber lang ko. So, talaga naghihintay ako ng perfect time na bibigay sa akin ng YouTube para dumami yung subscriber ko at makuha ko yung requirements nila na 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours bago ka ma-monetize. And, so, wala na kang sabihin pa, napalayo na yung sinasabi ko. Kaya, wala na. But, before I start this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like and click the bell button for notification. So, let's start this, guys.
Tagal mo na lang konti, isang pala. Bigyan mo isang pala.
You believe God is a woman.
Introduce yourself, day in a life, room tour, house tour, makeup tutorials, prank videos, what's on my phone, make a comedy skit, haul video, tutorial collection, parody, song cover, dance tutorials, product review, reaction video, how to edit my video, how to edit my thumbnail, morning routine, night routine, skincare routine, travel vlog, DIY, what's in your closet, hair routine, workout routine, room transformation, Q&A, chubby bun challenge, whisper challenge, boyfriend does my makeup, sister tag, sibling tag, brother tag, boyfriend tag, how to earn money, what's in my bag, OOTD 100 layers off, everyday makeup, type hack, social media hack, giveaway, unboxing, reacting to all videos, reacting to hate comments, current music playlist, easy hairstyles, and get ready with me. And that's all for my 50 content videos. Thank you for watching, guys.